Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the men's Armitron sports watch. Hopefully you can see this okay. Model number is 40-8252BLK, BLK meaning black in terms of the color. I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying it and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. So the box is all banged up, but for this price point, I'm not going to be too picky. Just wanted a watch to bang around in, and this hopefully will do the trick. $22.84 is what I paid for on Amazon. This is not a new watch from Armitron. I think it's been out since 2014. So let's open it up, take a look at it. Some of the specs of the watch: 46.7 millimeters, 13.1 millimeters thick, 22-inch band, and 330 feet water resistance. Plastic on the lens. Just adjust my light real quick. Hopefully you guys are able to see this all right. So the main reason I went for it, again, I wanted something just to bang around in that wasn't expensive. I do not like the inverted display on a lot of these newer watches. I like this traditional display that's nice and easy to see. Now, one of the things I might have gotten hosed on that I'm not sure about, I just opened it, is I thought this was going to be a moon phase. Looking at it, it looks like it's just a graphic for the seconds counting down, which is unfortunate if that's true. I did think, man, that's pretty cheap for a moon phase watch, but I guess I should have read the details instead of just looking at a picture. Hopefully you can get an idea of what the case back looks like. Stainless steel case back. Again, 330 feet water resistance. I do like the band. It should be easy to replace if you ever need to, and it's nice and soft. I have 6.5 inch diameter wrist. So just to give you an idea of what it looks like on the wrist. Even has a keeper on the buckle. You don't know what that means. Basically, when you strap it down, you've got this little lip here to keep it from coming undone. So that's nice. Or that's a feature I always look for. A lot of people don't like it because they think it makes it hard to take the watch off, but I really like having a keeper on my strap. Let's see if I can turn off my overheads. Not a whole lot to show you here. I don't know how to use the watch. Once I figure it out, maybe I'll attach some videos. But if you want to take a look at the backlight, you have an independent light button on the bottom right. And there's your backlight. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing of the Armitron Sport Watch. As always, I hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.